Hi everyone, today we're going to be making maple mustard corned beef in the crock pot. So what all goes into the maple mustard corned beef? 3 pounds of flat cut corned beef. All I have is point cut, and mine is almost 3 pounds but not quite. 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, 1/2 cup maple syrup, 1/4 cup yellow mustard, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 clove garlic minced. I have chopped, so that's what I'm going to be using. So let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is pat the corned beef dry. And the little seasoning packet that it comes with, don't need it, throw it away or save it for another use. Then you want to take a frying pan and put your 2 teaspoons of cooking oil in the pan and let it heat up. Make sure it covers the whole bottom. And then put your corned beef in, and you're going to want to brown it on all of the sides. And then you want to go ahead and put your browned corned beef in the slow cooker. Take a small bowl, add your 1/4 cup of mustard, add your 1/2 cup of maple syrup, your 1 clove garlic minced, which equals out to be 1/2 teaspoon of already minced, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and mix it together thoroughly. And that looks pretty good. And then take the mixture and pour over the corned beef. Turn it on low and let it cook for 7 hours without taking the lid off. So the maple mustard corned beef is done. We'll get it cut up and give it a taste test. So here is the maple mustard corned beef. And rounding out the meal is a creamy Parmesan pasta salad. My husband is on the road, so I'm going to be doing the taste test. That has a really good flavor. It doesn't taste like normal corned beef because we didn't use the spice packet, but it is really, really good. Even my husband might like it because he's not a big fan of corned beef. Thanks for watching. I hope that you subscribe, like, and share. Have a good day. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.